In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove all viruses from Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove all viruses from Windows 11 computer, first of all, click on Search. In Search, type Disk Cleanup. Right click on Disk Cleanup. Click on Run as Administrator. Select the system drive. Now click on OK. Select all items from here. The total amount of disk space you gain 3.52 GB. Now click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Now the second step, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type temp, click on OK. Now click on continue. Press Ctrl A to select all and then press Shift Delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? Click on yes. Close File Explorer. Again right click on Start menu. Click on Run. Now type percentage, temp and percentage. Click on OK. Press Ctrl A to select all. Now press Shift Delete. Click on yes. Close File Explorer. Again right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run type MRT. Now click on OK. Click on yes. Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. It's built in Windows operating system. You do not need to install any third-party utility to remove malware or virus. Now click next. Here you will find three options: quick scan, full scan and custom scan. I'm recommending you to select full scan. It will scan the entire system and it will take several hours, and then click on next. Scanning process has been started. After completing this scan, it will remove infected files, and then I am going for next step. Go to your browser. In search, type malware bytes. Now hit enter. This is the malware bytes official website. Click on this link. Free download and device scan. Get a free virus scan and clean up your device. Now click on download now. Download started and finished. Now you need to install this utility. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Close File Explorer. Close the browser. Now click on install and select personal. Click on next. You can install browser guard or you can skip installing browser guard, but it's not recommended. I'm skipping this step. Installation started. Installation succeeded. You can open malware byte from here, or you will find desktop shortcut icon. You can open malware bytes from this icon. Now click on scan now. Checking for updates, scanning memory, scanning startup items, and scanning file systems. Scanning finish. Now click on view scan report and you will find the infected files here. If you find malware detect any files that are necessary, we can deselect those files. These two files are necessary for my computer, so I am deselecting this one and I want to send all other malware files to quarantine. Click on quarantine items and then click on ignore ones. Threats are in quarantine. In this way, you can remove all viruses from your Windows 11 computer.